What up guys, MB back with another tutorial, and today we have an amazing taper fade, so let's jump right into it. First things first, fully moisten up your canvas. Once you've sectioned, clip away the top portion of the hair so it won't interfere with the cut. Comb down all the hair and set in your first baseline. Remember that this baseline is going to form the shape of the cut, so be creative when setting it in. Guys, everything you do to one side has to be done to the other in order for you not to get lost, especially if you're a beginner. Alright, now with the 1.5 open, you want to fully remove an inch of hair above that baseline you just made. Notice how I am using my corners to remove bulk because I'm being cautious on not getting rid of too much but still having that hair flow. With the number 2 open, you want to get rid of 1/2 inch now. If you still happen to see a harsh line or lots of bulk like in my case, then clipper over comb or use a bigger number to remove the excess darkness. Now that we've removed the bulk, with the lever open no guard, create a 1/2 inch guideline with your corners. With your half guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. And now open up the lever with the same guard and create another 1/2 inch. Finally, just to finish off the blend from the light area to the dark portion, take the number 1 and remove the line above you're able to see. Now in this case, I did see a little excess bulk still sitting there, so I just came back with my 1.5 and played around with the lever. Make sure to get up all in there and concentrate on your steps, not the way it's looking. Alright, now finally close up the lever and remove the baseline. You want to gradually open up the lever as you go up, but be careful when doing so and use plenty of corners. Guys, I did see too much bulk around, so I decided to take it off and have a more subtle blend, which is the reason why you're able to see me come back with my clipper over comb and high numbers like the 2 and the 1.5. Okay, now as I said, everything you do to one side must be done to the other as you're going along with the steps. In this case, I do have to demonstrate from the beginning so you're able to see every step twice. If you really pay attention to the way I approach this side now, it was with less caution due to the fact that I did get rid of a lot of bulk on the other. Guys, when you dig into someone's hair, especially if they're new, you want to consider the hair growth and hair texture and then get comfortable setting in your guidelines. If you guys do happen to enjoy these tutorials, make sure you like and comment what kind of haircut you want to see next. Also, thank you to all those who support the channel and leave positive feedback. I truly appreciate you. Alright, now for the neck taper, you want to follow the same steps, but this time you're able to use more blade because you're not so limited in space. Set in your first baseline, but not too high, leaving room to go up on the fade. Remove all the excess hair underneath. With the 1.5, go up a full inch. Now with the number 2, go up another inch, but flick out when doing so you won't create another guideline. With the lever open, no guard, create a 1/2 inch guideline. As you can see, the back is fairly quick because there's more blade being used, but this doesn't mean you could lack on detail. With your half guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. Open up with the same guard and go up another 1/2 inch. Notice how I do keep flicking even with low numbers. And now, just like we went over earlier, with the one open, remove the barrier within the dark and light shade. Alright, now with the lever open, no guard, make sure you don't see any line left from the open lever we did a couple steps back. If you do, just attack the dark areas and lines with your corners. Finally, with your lever closed, remove that baseline we first made. Gradually open up the lever as you go up and you should be set with a nice neck taper. Guys, always come back on detail. This will definitely set you apart from other barbers out there. Clipper over comb is used in the back part as well to reduce all the hanging length coming from the top portion. Now you do see me use a lot of high numbers, and that's just because I don't want to get rid of lots of hair due to the look I'm going for, which is a blowout taper. Also, if you're wondering where to find these translucent guards, make sure to visit MartyBlendz.com. These necklines are fairly simple to line up, just make sure you spray down with some hairspray and keep the hair in place while you work. I actually enjoy doing this step because I feel like the cut comes together. Alright, in this situation I only ended up lining up his sides because he does tend to slick back the top portion. When lining up anything with bulk, you want to keep combing down and keep hitting it until you see it's just right. And since I am going for a blowout look, I took off minimal amount of hair by the sides by doing some shear over comb. As you can see, the look is coming together. Other side is just the exact same thing. Guys, I will be doing a full tutorial on how to shear work. If you happen to be having trouble with that, I've got videos coming your way. Styling is really important to showcase the artwork you just crafted. Guys, all that is needed is to shave down all the stubble lightly and razor the entire cut. Here is the cut itself, and as you can see, it looks amazing. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you are subscribed, as I will be dropping more informational and entertaining videos in the near future. Alright guys, that's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'm out. Peace.